gonna separate. I'm gonna show you now. So we're gonna separate egg yolk.
So she's basically gonna make a cheese custard. So she's gonna take the egg yolk and she will foam it and froth it and cook it.
I'm gonna put here, and you're gonna use only egg yolk and put on that recipe 1 cup of sugar, and this.
Has anyone ever used a technique like this?
But you don't have to touch, the pan doesn't have to touch the water, only steam.
Only steam.
Otherwise, the custard's gonna be very bad. So we try to do this like that.
So it's all about time and temperature when you do this. If it's too hot, it's not good.
I already put the sugar, and don't forget, when this color is very, very white, yellow, it's done, okay? So you have to wait until the next way. You have to put the mascarpone cheese, but you have to wait until this is not too hot, because it's gonna be very soft. So until that's cool, cream. So for that cream we use mascarpone cheese, egg yolk, and heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna put that on the mixer. That's heavy whipping cream. Nothing else, because we have sugar in egg yolk. So. Also, the pan has to be cold. You're going to put in a cool place before you use. And this has to be cold too. Don't over whipping, because in that case it's going to be melted too much. It's going to turn again to be liquid.
So you're going to be given a plate of mise en place.
Maybe still, yeah, maybe I'm gonna need it. Thank you.
Tiramisu's only been around since like 1950 or 60. Tiramisu started in northeastern Italy, like near Vienna or Venice region, arguably. So you take this cookie, you soak it in a mixture of coffee, liqueur, or glue in there.
For that recipe, we need 1.5
a lot of different things with it.
teaspoons
But classically it's done with.
should not be in the freezer before you use.
So we're
It should
actually
be
using that.
room temperature.
Room temperature?
Okay. In there with that brown syrup in it. That's the mixture already.
Yeah.
It's going to be a mixture of espresso.
And you mix not too much.
So, yeah, that's why.
You're gonna put this one. Heavy whipping cream. There's 3 components. Gonna be together, and then.
So you do 3 layers. So you see a small spoon. That's it. Put them both inside. Then 3 seconds on each side.
And these have to be very slow, because
So go ahead and pull it up and set it right on top of the lasagna.
So you don't want it to condense, you want to fold it in.
yeah, we
Okay.
fold it like that.
Yep. So
There you go.
you break it in half. So it fits in like
And
this.
next step
You know, you can make
is
this way in.
to show your fingers here.
Another way to do it.
This is actually one beer, one very strong coffee or instant coffee, very strong, and 2 cups of water. So I have to put this, but I don't have mine because they have to be. And they have to be, he said a couple of hours, but 24 hours. Just if you make today, tomorrow, lunch is going to be okay. because
So you make them
after
tonight,
so-
by lunchtime you can eat them.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you see how Ellie's doing this. This is the classic way to prepare tiramisu. So she's going to layer it in a pan, a square pan. She's going to line them up like little soldiers and do the same thing you did, 3-tier. Puts the cocoa
Two.
powder on top of it. She's going 2 tiers, so that's great.
Yes. Yeah. It should be like that. Now we're gonna put
Cocoa powder.
Yes.
You're going to find because you pinch that and put it on top. Yes. So here you go, guys. Check it out, huh? How about a big hand for Ellie?